How to import K1 in Drake software. Open Drake Tax and go to the home screen. Select the client tax return where you want to import the schedule, K1 information. Enter the data entry section of the return to start adding income details. Type K1 in the screen search box to find the Schedule K1 entry screens. Choose the correct screen, such as K1P for partnership or K1S for S corporation. Open the selected K1 screen to begin entering the form information. Enter the entity name EIN and ownership information exactly as shown on the K1 form. Add the income amounts from the K1 form into the matching fields in the software. Continue entering deduction credit and other values from the K1 document. Review the entered information carefully to make sure everything matches the original form. Calculate and save the return so the K1 data flows correctly into the tax return. Thank you for watching.